Hey guys, what's up? Caden here. I'm just making a quick video. I was in the Modrinth Discord. Somebody had mentioned that their modpack was corrupted. And before I switched to using Prism Launcher, this would actually happen to me pretty regularly, and it's very frustrating. And I'm just making a quick video on how you can fix this if this happens to you. If for whatever reason you use this as a way to back up your modpack, you want to redo it, something happened with the cache, blah blah blah, the loader sucks. So the end result is that your modpack is corrupted and you don't have a backup. What do you do? What you want to do is you want to take your Modrinth mod pack and you want to just isolate it for the sake of simplicity, put it in its own folder. It doesn't matter what it's named, just put it in the folder. You want to open up a terminal, and I am on Linux, but on Windows you should be able to run this zip command. There's an Ubuntu thing through your PowerShell. You just want to run the zip command. They're incredibly standardized packages that should exist. You want to do zip ff and then out and then repaired.mrpack. This is literally all you have to do, because 9 times out of 10 what happens is when Modrinth exports your modpack, it just destroys the file structure and fails to include that little file that basically tells the Modrinth launcher that it is a Modrinth modpack. And it's probably not going to be in here because that's what failed and caused this whole archive to get corrupted, but at least you can get your configuration files and most of your resource packs and stuff back, as well as Cube.js scripts if you had any. As you can see, they're all here in the repaired file. All this file does is just rebuild the file structure of the zip file. I'm not entirely sure why the Modrinth loader messes that up in the first place, but that is how you fix your mod pack. Thanks for watching.